Step 2. Pour enough water from the carafe into the reservoir of the coffee maker. And return the carafe back into position. Step 3. Adjust the amount of coffee depending on how strong or weak you wish your coffee to be. Step 4. Plug in the coffee maker and turn it on. Wait until the coffee is completely brewed.
Okay, and for the last step?
Step 5. Turn off and unplug the coffee maker. Use a pot holder or thick towel to hold the carafe, then serve coffee.
Okay. Job well done, Ace. So, for the last step, which is the cleaning the coffee meter after you use it. So, we can cut it now. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, Ace and Princess May and T.L.E for